Everybody knows ChaAm like this, but today we want to show you another very beautiful side of ChaAm.
Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nan.
And Odin
Young
and old
can be happy together. Cannot go in เหรอเข้าได้ไหมคะ
ฉีดวัคซีนยังครับ
อะไรนะคะ
ฉีดวัคซีนยัง
ฉีดแล้วค่ะ
ขอดูหมอพร้อมหน่อยครับ
หมอพร้อมเดี๋ยวนะดินยูโฮนคาเมล่าหมอพร้อม
It also looked like want to rain.
Yeah, maybe today. So I check in weather. You rain night today นะอะไร
For translations, turn on captions.
It's weather today. In ChaAm, noon have chance to rain 50%.
Noon.
Noon.
And afternoon?
And afternoon, no, it's sunshine. It's have very hot.
Okay.
In about 2, it's cloud more.
Okay.
Because in the evening, maybe have rain about 80%.
Wow.
Yeah, because it say that.
So, where are we today?
We are in Khao Nang Panthurat. Khao Nang Panthurat.
Okay. And what is special here?
What is special here? Have viewpoint. Can look ChaAm.
Okay.
Look like a mirror square. In up.
Okay. Oh, let's
Somebody
go.
cannot walk up. It's too easy to walk.
Please give us your like.
Can sit. Have coffee shop.
Oh yeah, over there have coffee shop.
Yeah, have coffee shop. Have parking. And you can walk. แล้วก็ have map from walk. Here. We go here. Ding, 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 ding. When somebody cannot walk too far, can walk is look here. Because we are here. And we walk here. Have 2 step up to level
Okay.
to go up.
Keep to the designated trail. Keep noise to minimum. Avoid touching any plants. Moderate, rough and steep, suitable for people with low to moderate fitness and ability.
Oh, sorry ค่ะ
This is a park have 2 level. We go an easy level, have stairs and have a nice terrace where you can overview.
You hear sound 1 level?
Yeah, that's the easy one. And you can maybe do in half an hour up and down.
But
The second one is a very difficult one. And we have been there 2 times already, but it takes about 2 to 3 hours to walk. And you have to have good shoes, you should take some water, and you have to be physically in a good condition. And you should not go alone, because there are some parts, if you misstep, you can hurt yourself very bad.
yeah.
And then you have no help, no telephone signal, and nobody to get you. So not go alone. But I'm not alone.
Yeah, you have
maybe
me.
we do the long tomorrow. Today the visibility is not good, so we just look here the first part, and then let's see how we continue.
Okay, we go. Okay ไหม
Okay, we go. Bye.
Is here the first level in here. Have can sit around here. and have a look like here what is ศาลแม่นางพันธุรัตน์
The legend of Nang Panthurat is a giantess who adopted Prasang as her child while disguising herself as human. One day, Prasang entered the prohibited district, bathed himself in the golden pool, grabbed a disguise costume and other magical items, and then flew away. When returned and could not find her child, the giantess went after and begged him to come back without success. The giantess grieved until death subsequently. After she died, Prasang arranged cremation, and the giantess' body turned into a mountain. As a result, people called the mountain Khao Nang Panthurat until the present. This is the first viewpoint, and you have really fantastic views from here. I just love this mountain formation. It has so many beautiful sights.
No monkey, right? I can leave something in here. I fear monkey ขโมย I cannot run say monkey.
To stay in touch, please subscribe. At the opposite peak is a platform where you can walk to on the long walk, and then you can look down to this direction. Okay, let's go to the next level.
Okay. You can take for me. I want to take is a rock. With rock. Or you take video.
Yeah. And this is a door through the mountain to the next viewpoint. At the end of the video, we will show you this whole mountain from the drone. You will see amazing aerial views. The high rises at the horizon are standing at ChaAm Beach.
It's a mirror. Mountain. Ah, this side have sunshine.
This side have sunshine, chai cup.
Make you more bright. But hot now.
Makes you hot and bright.
Yeah.
Bright and hot.
I think this room, this is a home. See? Oh, black.
And actually, if it would have a good view,
What is this home? I think beautiful because it's not no building, just have field all around you. นะคะ
okay.
อุ้ยฮอตมากวดิน
เองไปยืนถ่ายเราสูงแล้วเราเก่งอ่ะ
ลูกแสงไฟฟ้านะ
เราเก่งอะ
เดี๋ยวดู
จะสวีน
เอาเว้ยได้นะไอ้รูปนั้นเขาเซ็นเขาถ่ายหลายๆรูปเกิดเนื้อถ่ายหลบก่อนเขาเซ็นไม่เผื่ออ่ะมือหนูบ้างมือหนูบ้าง
We were lucky we didn't start the long walk because about an hour later we got heavy rain. We now drive to a parking place at the southern end of the mountain. From there we will fly the drone. So now we try where it goes this way. Finished already?
Yeah, need to make new plan again. Because her plan is about 3 months, 6 months and 1 year. But in my home is 1 year. It's not called 1 year, it's a one time. Because you have water, can do more. But for me, because take time, it's a ride from Surin, it's a take time more. Cannot make many time. Yeah, Lotus.
To stay in touch, please subscribe and turn on all notifications. Thank you for watching our video. Please click like, comment, and to stay in touch, subscribe. Click the bell to get notified of our next upload. Just click a thumbnail to stay with Thailand lifestyle.